Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be installing a tempered glass screen protector on my new Microsoft Surface Pro 11. The kit I'll be using is a Migu branded one that I found on Amazon. Inside the box, you'll find these positioning stickers and also a lifting sticker, which I'll show you how to use in a bit. It also comes with this dust lifting sticker and other accessories that make the whole process so much easier. I'll leave a link for this in the description below. Take out the screen protector as a first step because this is a brand new device. Then, with the screen protector's adhesive side facing down, slip these positioning tabs under the device with the adhesive side facing up. After you do that, get the screen protector centered on the device and use each of the positioning tabs to lock it in place so it doesn't slip around. I find it easier to lock it down on one side and then the other before finishing up with the positioning tab in the middle. Install the lifting sticker after you do that, and once you're sure that the screen protector is centered on the device, flip it up. This kit that I'm using also includes some sort of wet wipe, so using that, thoroughly clean the device screen to make sure that there's no lint or dust on it. In case you still have specks of dust or lint on the screen, this kit also comes with a dust lifting sticker that you could use, so just go around the screen to do a final cleanup with this sticker. After you do that, remove the release liner from the screen protector and drop it in place. You can see here that once in place, the tempered glass screen protector kind of figures the bubbles out, but inevitably there's still going to be some left. You can push most of the bubbles out using the included microfiber towel. Once in place, the screen protector is not going anywhere, so we can remove all of these lifting and positioning tabs. For the more stubborn bubbles, you're going to need an old hotel keycard like this to slowly work each and every bubble out to the edge. Some of the trapped air will eventually escape over the edge, while others just seem to disappear and figure themselves out. So just keep on doing that to get rid of the bubbles that are trapped under the screen protector. Once all the bubbles are out, give the screen protector one final wipe down to make sure you didn't miss any spot. And there you have it, newly installed screen protector. I used my new Microsoft Surface Pro here, but these instructions apply to pretty much every device out there. So in case you have a different device, just click the link in the description and I'm sure you'll find one that's right for you. If you want to watch a video on how to upgrade the SSD in your Microsoft Surface Pro, I'll leave a link to it somewhere in the screen right now. If you're interested in cars, I have another channel, Ches Does Cars, so please do check that out. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.